Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX edged up by 15.12 points or 0.29% and closed at 5,184 points today. Market turnover reached 2.82 billion Bangladeshi takas, marking a 2.33% marginal increase compared to the previous trading session. British American Tobacco and Olympic Industries from the food and allied sector, Beacon Pharma, Kohinoor Chemicals, and Acme Laboratories from the pharmaceuticals and chemicals sector, and Al Arafa Islami Bank and Brak Bank from the banking sector mainly pulled up the market today. In terms of sector-wise return, the NBFI sector posted the highest gain of 1.92%, while the food and allied sector registered the second highest gain of 0.85%. On the other hand, the IT sector posted the highest loss of 0.49%. 5 textile and 3 fuel and power companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Usmania Glass, HR Textile, and Softco Spinnings Limited registered the highest gain, while Jamuna Oil, SLM Cold Rolled Steels Limited, and ICB AMCL Second Mutual Fund were the top losers today. Jamuna Oil resumed trading today following a 150% cash dividend adjustment to its price. Meanwhile, SLM Group has shut down its cold rolled steels company due to an inability to import raw materials stemming from a lack of bank support. Consequently, the company's stock price experienced a sharp decline. There is no publicly disclosed price-sensitive information for the price change of the remaining stocks. The trading volume of SK Trims and Industries Limited, Pubali Bank, and Dominage Steel increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. SK Trims and Industries Limited has scheduled its board meeting on December 31st to declare first quarter earnings, driving an increase in the stock's trading volume. There is no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Top 2 news today. Corporate external borrowing continues to decline amid an economic slowdown, with short-term overseas debt falling to $10.52 billion in October. The decline followed a gradual drop from $11.3 billion in July, $11.20 billion in August, and $10.73 billion in September. This downward trend is attributed to cautious business expansion strategies by private sector players, influenced by uncertainties surrounding the recent change in state power. Additionally, industrial production has been severely impacted by a persistent energy crisis and ongoing unrest in industrial hubs. However, the reduction in external debt may help ease pressure on foreign exchange reserves. The National Board of Revenue plans to implement a uniform 15% value-added tax on most goods and services in the next fiscal year to align with an IMF-advised law enacted in 2012, according to senior officials. The enforcement is expected to begin in the latter half of the current fiscal year, with over 20 items likely to lose their reduced VAT rates by the end of this month. These products and services, currently taxed at 5% to 10%, will be subject to the standard 15% VAT rate outlined in the law. That's all for today. Thank you.